Um, as you all know, FNF products have 80% of the garments with embellishments. So printing covers most of it because we do kids wear, we have characters and placement prints in most of our garments. So what I'm going to share with you is most of you are already aware. Actually, we have two ink types which we use in most of our printing. One is pigment, one is rubber. Pigment is like a ink which has 90% of it is water and 10% of it is the dye stuff, where we get a bright color on a light base like this. If I show you as an example, this print, we have used the same dye stuff in all these fabric colors. But if you see, this white color gives that vibrant and the exact color. But when it comes to the pink, it blends with the fabric color and gives a different color. And the grey marl also, it's the same way. And when it comes to black, it's totally, you can't see any colors. So this is where we have to use the rubber. But as much as possible, it is encouraged to use the pigment because one is pigment is very cost effective. It is like 30 or 40% cheaper than the normal rubber print, and the handle is very soft. Even that is actually all we were trying to do, the Race in the Bar project. The handle is a main key thing in our kidswear products. So it is a big challenge where you have to get the colors and also we have to get the hand feel. So wherever it is possible, when we get a brief sheet, we have to see whether we can use a pigment print on it. If not, yes, of course, we will have to go with the rubber. And there are two print techniques that we use in this program. One is the direct prints and one is the CMYK. This is two techniques, and the ones that I told you previously is the ink type. So you can use the print technique but in different ink types. As an example, if I say, okay, I will start, sorry, I missed, actually, the two print types is the spot print, spot colors, you call it direct prints, and the other one we call it CMYK. Why this is spot and why this is CMYK, where we have to choose this is because when you can count the number of colors, it is very flat, and we can now count the number of colors. It has 5 colors in it. But when you print this print, it's photographic and there are like 20 odd colors. So if you print it direct, you will have to print 20 colors where you don't get an output and the price is very expensive. So where in these type of character prints than photographic prints, we will have to use CMYK. So as much as possible, if we can go with direct prints, we don't have any problems with the bulk, we don't have color variations. But we can't use direct prints on every technique. So because of that, when we will have to use CMYK on a particular garment, still we can use it on pigments and rubbers. As I told you, I hope this realized. Sorry, too much. See? This is where this pigment has been printed on CMYK on a dark base. See, we are not getting the colors right. Here again, you don't see any colors in this. This is where you will have to use rubber. But CMYK is a very tricky technique because CMYK stands for sand, magenta, yellow and black, where all 4 colors blends together and make different colors. As an example, yellow and red get together and make orange. And yellow and blue get together and make green. This is how this print creates. So we will have to understand the limitations of the print when we go with this type of prints. We will have variations in bulk because even you do it on manual base or machine base, if the yellow gets dark, the print gets dark. it gets yellower. If the red gets dark, the print gets redder. So this is what the CM Michael invitation is all about. So it's a bit of a background on the basic prints that we use. I hope it was useful.